How to add the local files to the Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to add your local music files to Spotify, here is what should be done. First of all, make sure that you have Spotify application logged in and is connected to your iPhone. Next up, make sure that your files or the local files are ready on the file section. Now, open your files on your device. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on select. Now choose the local file that you would like to add on Spotify. Now you'll land to this page known as iCloud Drive. Type Spotify in the search bar and tap on Spotify local apps. Once that is opened, tap on the copy button. Now that the copy is completed, head over to Spotify. Tap on your profile, which is on the top left, and then go to settings and privacy. Now tap on apps and devices. After that, tap on local audio files and toggle on the option. This lets you add tracks from this device to your library. Now if you go to your library and tap on local files, you must find all of your videos and audio files from local files here. However, if it is not available here, go to settings and make sure to give access to media and Apple Music. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.